Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty for beginners. First, let's cover the absolute basics. Your left stick controls movement, while the right stick aims your view. Use the right trigger to fire your weapon and the left trigger to aim down sights for better accuracy. Remember to reload by pressing the square or X button, which typically takes about 2 to 3 seconds. Mastering these fundamental controls is your first step to success on the battlefield. Next, let's talk about your loadout, which is crucial for success. Choose a primary weapon like an assault rifle for balanced combat or a submachine gun for close quarters engagements. Always have a reliable secondary weapon, perhaps a pistol, for when your main runs dry. Select perks that complement your playstyle, such as faster health regeneration or increased ammunition capacity. Customizing your weapon with attachments can significantly improve its performance, giving you an edge over opponents. Understanding the map is key to outsmarting your enemies. Always keep an eye on your minimap. It shows enemy pings and objective locations, giving you vital information. Learn the common pathways and power positions on each map to anticipate enemy movements. Utilize cover effectively, peeking around corners and using objects to shield yourself from incoming fire. Communicating with your team, even simple callouts, can turn the tide of battle in your favor. Finally, remember that practice is essential for improvement. Start with less competitive game modes, like Team Deathmatch, to get comfortable with the mechanics and maps. Don't be afraid to experiment with different weapons and attachments. You might discover a new favorite. Watching experienced players can provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and movement techniques. Most importantly, have fun and adapt your approach as you learn and grow in the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.